Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Thank you for giving us an opportunity to present this pitch deck. And let us introduce ourselves first. So we are from Study Hive team. My name is Akmal Faik Mabaranyan.
And my name is Muhammad Tofal Kurniawan.
And we are here to provide you a great solution of our long-lasting problems in Indonesia. So, as you can see here, the quality of Indonesia is still low. For many, many years, we are struggling to improve our education and be competitive with any other countries in Southeast Asia. As you can see here in the table, in the data, the PISA score, or Program for International Student Assessment of Indonesia, is still low. Even after COVID-19, in 2022, it's decreasing. Like here in Membaca or reading, it's decreasing for like about 10 points, and mathematics too, and also scientific too. So it's really tragic for Indonesia because our education is still low compared to any other growing countries. And here's the reason why Indonesians' education is still low. It's because the limited access to education. If you know that many cities or many regencies in Indonesia is still remote place, it's not accessible to school. Even they have to go to school in a long journey, like 10 kilometers from their house to their schools, which is really struggling. And lack of good quality teachers. So in Indonesia, good quality teachers is still low, and also the program to teach their students are still being traditional. They're not being student-centered in their teaching program, so it's bad. And the socio-economic problems, you know that the jobless people in Indonesia is still high, the percentage, and people in Indonesia also have economic problems too there in remote places. And then irrelevant curriculum. Our curriculum is actually really behind any other countries around the world, and which is really bad. And then it's lack of interactive learning here in Indonesia.
So there is some research too, like the discussion method to give the increasing the quality of education in SDN Tamarenja, Kecamatan Sindu Tobata. So the result of the research is the discussion method can be like increase the result of learning the student like that. So the discussion can be like support like friend to friend, and after that can give some give argument to argument. So the friends is the student can like learning by like with his friend, not with his teacher like that. And the
Mindset.
And the mindset, I think like student and student is it's same, and maybe it can be like it can easier to learn by friend like that. So and after that we are creating the solution, and we create the study hive. So what is study hive? Study hive is like forum that is like discussion about like education. There is a lot of curriculum or a lot of topic, like you can like discussion about technology, mathematics, science, and others. So it depends by the user he want to learning about or discussion about technology or science or mathematics. And
Okay, so yeah, here's the thing. Study Hive. Study Hive is actually an application forum for students, which is similar to LinkedIn, but it's centered for students. Students can showcase their achievements, their experiences, and they can share to each other what are their problems, and they can solve to each other too. So it's really interactive. And why is the name Study Hive? Well, study is basically studying, education, and hive is the bee thing, you know, like sarang lebah. Well, as you know that bees are really a teamwork animal, and that's why we picked that name. So we have verified teachers too. So in the application, the exist users are not just students, but also mentors. So in the application, mentors will have verified accounts and they can have a personal class to teach, to mentor them, to mentor the students one-on-one video. And here's the thing, how can we get the money from that? Well, we won't charge anything for the user until the user subscribe one-to-one mentoring with the teacher. So if the students subscribe the mentoring class with the teacher, then we will charge 5% from the price of the mentoring teacher. And the target market? Our target market is actually students here in Indonesia because, as you know, the problems that we bring before, Indonesia's education is still low, and we want to change that. We want to improve our country's education to become a next level, to become competing with any other developing countries, which is a really, really noble goal for us. And
And after that, we have some features too. That is like a space, if you know, that is from Twitter, and it's like some space of voice or voice call. And after that, a lot of people can join for discussion about one topic about that. And after that, like with this application, this like the maybe the academy or education in Indonesia is can be increased because we use the discussion method. And after that, and how we can like advertise this application. So
yeah, we have Kemendikbud in our team. So we have agreement with Kemendikbud, and it's in their program too. So Kemendikbud will go through schools in remote areas and to present this, to pitch this, to train students to use our application. So students there in remote places will not struggling with the bad quality teachers or the inaccessible schools and the irrelevant curriculum and stuff. So yeah.
yeah, maybe just that from us. Anyone have a question?
Yeah, can you go back to the problems page? Okay, so you said the Kemendikbud is going to present this, right?
Yeah.
And you said it solved the lack of good teachers, limited access, irrelevant curriculum, and less interactive. But
Yeah.
it doesn't really solve the socio-economic because some people are struggling with the economy situations. Most
Okay.
of us, yeah, in the remote place.
Okay, so the socioeconomic problems is, yeah, it won't solve that, but you know that government have some kind of dana to give to students that are in low income, right? In family in low income. So we have that too. In Kemendikbud, they will provide the smartphone, they will provide the internet, so students that have low income economic will also be able to access our application. Is it clear? Any other question? Sure.
The question is, I think this kind of application forum for students is something, there's some of the application forums that already exist, something like Brainly, Ruang Guru, you know, and what things that makes your brains better than the other?
Well, did they have space for sharing to each other?
No.
No, right? Did they have?
No. They have.
Really?
Really?
Well, no. In my knowledge, Brainly is just a Q&A website, Q&A platform, right?
And how if the users just use your products for that?
Well,
At the same time?
we have the features, then users will be able to use that, right? It's because our features are exist, not in Brainly. Brainly is not exist. The space features in Brainly is not exist. With our application, student can share to each other what are their problems. They can have study space together. The lonely students, the unmotivated students will have their partners to go through their journey. So that's really a thing. And then the showcase thing. You know, it's like LinkedIn, right? So students will be able to showcase their achievement, their experiences, and the job seeker will actually bring an attention to the account too with the good showcasing. Is it clear or any addition? No? Okay.
You satisfied? Yeah.
I'm not sure you're satisfied though. Can you please provide?
No. Thank you.
Okay. Any other?
Others?
Okay, so you say that you won't charge anything until the students or the customer subscribe the teacher, right?
Yeah.
So how can you get the money or the income if they just never subscribe? They only use your platform only for discussing, yeah, for those long time. So how can you make this business running if they not start to subscribe your
So we can like advertise something in my page, in our page, like we give like some advertise in the bottom or in the right of the website like that, so we can get the money from the advertise.
Doesn't make any change because most of Indonesian people, most of students in Indonesia, they just like free thing, right? Everything is free,
Of course.
and they like it. So I'm sure. How can you
Yes,
make
but-
them subscribe the teacher?
Like before one-on-one, and some of teachers can be like making some video tutorial or video about education, that is like if you see like programmer zaman now, like teaching about Dart or about something, and that is free video. But where we can get the money, we can get the money from the advertise, and maybe we can like input some advertise in his video, like just 15 second or 5 second like that.
What kind of advertisement?
Yeah, like yeah, anything. Yeah, if you see the like video in YouTube, like YouTuber or vlogger, like they get the money from the advertise. A lot of.
So the target is not the income target is not from the users. So just from the
If the
advertisement.
users not provide any subscription action,
Yes.
well, yeah, it will be centered to the advertisement section. Our profit will.
So then how you can make the students subscribe this kind of platform?
Well,
You have your own strategy for that.
as he said before, that the mentors will have free videos, right?
Right.
And for the expert, for the intermediate steps or intermediate materials, they have to subscribe first. So it's just a trial. Like the video is just for fundamentals, the basics. And if they want to expertise the material, then they have to subscribe first.
That's what I want to hear. Yeah, that's good. This is good. This is good.
Okay.
Right. Anything else? Raji. Okay.
Raji.
So you are saying that this is an app for student.
Yeah,
So the student have to make an account for that.
of course.
How can you guarantee that the data of students will be protected?
No.
Okay, we're
What? Okay.
Guarantee.
we are back. We are backed by Minister of Education. We're government-backed application, so it's actually really safe for our users to store their data in our application because it's a government app backed, right? So it won't be used for any malicious suppose.
What if the one who registered isn't a student?
Oh. So maybe you mean that it's teacher or something like that?
Maybe some
Random guy.
weird
Oh.
people.
Okay.
Like
How
what?
do you know?
Anonymous guy like that?
Random people, guys.
Weird people.
Yeah.
Or random people?
Yeah.
Fake.
Like spam the forum or what?
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe
like
it's-
that, or-
Maybe like that.
Yes.
So we just delete that account or ban that account like that.
We have banning rules, right?
Yes.
We can ban the account.
We are always like watching our application like that, and we have like what cyber security.
Yeah.
Yes.
We have that in our team.
Nothing else? Okay.
What?
So you say that you may solve the lack of good quality teachers, right?
Mm.
So how far you can ensure me that your teachers, the teacher in your platform is a good quality? So how is the way to find the good quality?
I think like all of teacher have the
Wait.
have a different way to teach the students, and after that in our forum or in our application that is have a lot of teachers that is verified. So and that is like the teachers maybe have like some little video tutorial or a little video that is he's teaching, and after that the students can like see how the teachers teaching his students like that. So the students can search the teacher that is like have the same way to like have the what?
Same method.
Yeah, same method to learning about like that. So it depends by the teacher and students, and the students can like choose his teachers, and he can after the users like or the students is like see the teachers is good to him, he can subscribe the teacher like that.
And we have ratings and feedback features. So users can give a feedback to the teacher and can give a rating to the mentors or teachers. So the highest rating and best feedback mentors or teachers will appear first. So it will sort with the best teacher until the worst teacher. So it's basically like that. So yeah. Is it clear?
What if the students doesn't find this type, like
This type. Okay, so well, we will always suggest the teachers that have similar. So users will give a feedback and ratings, right, to teachers. If this user give 5-star, then it's the way that the teacher want, right? Is it right? Then we will suggest the same or similar teaching way with that one teacher. So we will suggest any other teacher with that same method teaching based on the rating. Is it clear or?
So you said that the student that have socioeconomic problems will get something with from the government, and I'm sure that the student, you guys will need to like qualify the students which is perfect to get that facility from the government. How you and government to choose or qualify, yes, select the perfect students.
Okay, first we have Kemendikbud in each cities, right? We have Dinas Pendidikan. So Dinas Pendidikan will search or will collect the data on what will on the incomes of families of the students that is in the school. So we have the data by the Dinas Pendidikan. So yeah, it will be easy to sort the students that have low incomes. It's because we have the data.
This case is familiar with the past cases which is, do you know, like KIPK problems that the students that can afford the university but got that KIPK things from the government because of they fake their documents, like there's so many ways they fake their documents. There's their parents' income and something.
Well, yeah, problems might appear in any way, you know, like they can't fake anything. So yeah, if we can membuktikan, yeah, if we can prove the students that is actually can afford the pay, well, we will menindaklanjuti. Yeah, we will go for it, and we will punish them. That's it. Any addition for you?
Maybe no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, one last from me. You said that from Father question, you said that it's not answering the question. Where did you get the well qualified teacher? Because you said that it's only after you accept the teacher, not before the teacher. So before you get the teacher, how can you get the well qualified teacher?
So that is like certified for teacher, right?
Yeah, certification.
Certification for teacher. Yeah, maybe he can like before he get verified in our application, he have to like input apply his certificate first to my application like that. And
Enough, because I'm sure that there are some teachers which is got certificate but not well qualified enough.
yeah, it and itu kembali lagi. Baik lagi ke rating. Apa bahasanya sih? Yeah.
Rating.
Yeah. The rating. Yeah, the rating. So if like the teachers like it's not a good enough, like you said, maybe the students that have like or has seen his videos, he can like give the comments or rating is bad like that. So the other students like not subscribe to that teacher like.
So this one is after they accepted, right? But before that, before they are accepting, how is the process for this platform to get a very good teacher, well-educated teacher?
How did you find the
Yeah.
Are you going to send some people or staff to find them, or
Yeah.
why?
They will apply, right?
Yes, because the money, he can get the money, and in the first like if my application is like first launching, maybe that just appear the discussion feature like that, like space and showcasing, and after that like discussion about the several topic like that. And for the mentor, maybe we can we will search our connection first like that to teach like technology or to teach mathematics and science, like the basic of education. We will search the good teacher for that.
What
And
is the standard of good teacher from this platform? What is the standard?
Well, back at it again, we have Dinas Pendidikan in each cities. So the Dinkas will, the the Dinas Pendidikan will search the best school and the best teacher from that school. So yeah, we will recruit from that. Then it will be competent and qualified teacher.
All right. Then.
One more.
Alright.
You haven't said the price.
Nice.
yeah, the price is depend by teacher.
Depend by the
Depends by teacher, and we just like cut 5% by the fee of subscribe like that.
The subscription depends on the teacher.
It depends by teacher.
How much does it range from where?
Maybe just like around 100.
Maybe the most expensive will be for 400
400, yeah, like around that.
400 what?
1,000 rupiah.
Per what? Per month? Or?
No, it will be a lifetime course. Yeah.
What?
Okay. So you will cut the subscription. Subscription. Itulah. From
Fee, from the fee.
From the students.
yeah, from the student or the total from
Mentor. So the mentor will earn. Let's just say that the fee is 100,000 rupiah. So yeah, the students will be charged for 100,000 rupiah, and the teacher will get that, but we will cut it for 5%. So the teacher will be earned around 95 ribu rupiah. Okay, so we won't charge the student, we will charge the mentor. Is it clear? Okay.
So after the teacher and the students subscribe to the teachers,
Yeah.
so the student will be get mentoring like live. Get mentoring.
No. What I mean for lifetime is the video course.
The video.
Like the mentoring one.
Yeah.
You get the premium video course.
Yeah, the video course for like intermediate to expert thing. For mentoring one-on-one is not lifetime, it's monthly.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Like maybe just one time for 1 week like that.
So how much?
Yeah, it depends by teacher.
Also.
Yeah.
But the range.
Well,
It depends by teacher.
The range.
The range
Teacher can set.
Yeah. 10 million.
Yes.
maybe around 100 per month.
Yeah.
Like that.
100.
So maybe like 100 can be like four time in 1 month, or maybe 5 times in 1 month, around that.
Okay, enough? Okay, thank you for listening to our pitching program here. I hope you guys like it and approve our application to your company. So, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good. Done. You want to ask question?
I want to ask a question, but we closed the presentation. Ojak pegang.
With the
Prepare your best. Huh? Next week teaching. When?
Who's the MC?
Start from Monday.
Monday after present first.
I go this afternoon.
For what?
For presentation today. Yes.
When will you go back?